Well, IDF is important because it shows the latest technology. So for me, it's a very nice preview of the short-term future.
What we're doing here is scanning Kirk so that we can then incorporate him into a game.
This is about you, our developers, and the amazing experiences that you make possible. This year, we want to push further than ever before.
This is my favorite new project.
The winner of this competition will walk away with $1 million.
A show like this would be an amazing way to showcase it to the public as a whole.
I think the cash prize, the number of developers out there that are really excited to do this, I think it's going to be great.
The entire technology industry began with makers. The founders of Silicon Valley and Intel were makers. It's never been a more exciting or accessible time to invent the future.
Makers are creating opportunities for themselves and for their community, so I think that's a big deal.
We have brought up the first collaborative cancer cloud.
We've chosen Intel as a partner in our quest to cure cancer.
Now, 2015 has really been a year of firsts and milestones in cybersecurity unlike any we've ever seen. And we had the first cybersecurity session at IDF.
For us, Intel, 5G is not just about devices, it is about the cloud.
We will have new access points, like drones and balloons, to bring connectivity to those who have not been connected before.
We've challenged you, and hopefully we've even inspired you. So we're going to leave you with one question. What will you develop?
Thank you.
Thank you.